Hi, it's Stuffed Cabbage Adventures, and today's episode will be the sweetest because we are visiting a chocolate factory at our friendly neighbors in Austria. But not just any chocolate factory, it's the Zotter Chocolate Factory, which is even crazier than what Willy Wonka has to offer. And not only that, they also have their very own animal park. Nothing can get any sweeter than that. So let's go to the
Zotter Schokoladen Erlebniswelt.
Located between the city of Graz and the border of Austria and Hungary lies the town of Riegersburg, which is the home of the Zotter Chocolate Factory. To reach it, it's easier to travel there by car, although there are public transport options available as well, but those trips may take twice as long. The ticket prices are around 19 euros for adults, but for children and larger groups there are discounts available. The experience starts with a viewing of a documentary that demonstrates the history and mindset of the company. It's actually really well done and really funny to watch, and there are English subtitles for those who don't speak German. After the viewing, you are free to explore the facility at your own pace, and you also get your very own tasting spoon. You'll start by experiencing the origins of chocolate, the cacao beans. If you've never tasted them, then you are in for a surprise. They are actually quite tasty, but don't forget to peel them first. Then you can even try raw chocolate. Now, it may not become everyone's favorite, but it surely is something to experience. The path that leads you through the factory lets you also peek behind the scenes. All those cool things you are tasting during your journey are made right there in front of your eyes. The Zotter brand is very proud at how experimental they are with their different flavors. There are many products you can try that have a fruity taste, and there are also some weird and strange ones. There's a lounge area where you can collect a ton of flavors and relax while enjoying the delicious chocolate. You can even get robots to serve you and even listen to songs specially curated just for chocolate eating. Besides the chocolate bars and snacks, there are so many different varieties of products to try, like choco drinks, cereals, and chocolate-coated nuts, for example. And by the end, if you can still remember what were your favorites, you can grab them at the store. Now, the pro gamer tip: if you really have favorite ones during your journey, then document them. The huge selection can become a bit overwhelming. And if you are still hungry, you can get some Austrian snacks, like a Leberkäse or a refreshing beer. Your tickets also allow access to the Edible Animal Park. And yes, you heard that right. The name is indeed Edible Animal Park, but don't worry, that's just a joke from the owner. Please don't try to eat animals here. You may not find lions or giraffes, but there are still many cute animals to visit here. It's also very good to see that they have plenty of space for themselves and get good care. And while you are there, you can test your might on the many farmers' challenges. Gotta work down those chocolates you consumed earlier that day.
So, did you guys get hungry for some chocolate? By the way, settle a debate. Do you guys like dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or these very crazy fruity chocolates more? Tell us in the comments below and see you guys in the next video. Bye! I think I prefer dark chocolate. It's really good. Nice. You guys still here? Why don't you consider subscribing if you're watching me eating this chocolate? If you do subscribe, thank you very much. And again, see you in the next video.